Почитувани гледачи, следува нашата репортажа за 76-тиот поред македонски отворен голф турнир. Вие уживајте.
Драги гледачи, како што гледате, наши прекрасни македонки, на десната страна е Тина Аргиро. Тина многу години си овде на македонскиот отворен голф турнир заедно со својот сопруг Анджело. Што мислиш за ова година?
За ова година само здравје да му даде Господ на цели и да се име добро време да се име и времето е добро кај што се пули. И тоа може да рече и теку години си со старчки дом, сега јас остарвам. И младите, I hope да влезе внатре да поможе, како може. Јас поможам, кај што ми се пули ова година, ќе ми е последна со работите. А да не реча,
Нема да биде последна, не верувам.
I hope not. But Bill, со тебе, what can I say? Сполајте за свичко теку години што крепиш во македонското телевизија. Теку години. Браво на тебе, и ти мисла најдобрите нешта и здравје Господа ти дај и ти да си тука со години да не така да не опитваш работи и нешта.
Многу убави зборови од тебе, ти благодарам многу. Не знам што да кажам, многу ти благодарам. Тина, сполајте многу.
Но, ти си еден човек, када ти рече, јас кај со Денис Стучевски оде на телевизијата, you know that.
Од крајот на 70-тите години.
Од тогава, преди да се фати Старчки дом, ко правиме fundraising and everything. But it was nice, and I'm still with it. I'll never give up Canadian Macedonian Place, never until the day I die. That's my thing, and I love doing volunteer work for it and everything. I enjoy, and да ти кажа поправо, и сега што ја направиме every year, зелниците што ја правиме тука сега за Галфо, that's special for them anyway. И сетне има и жени што ни поможве од црквата Свети Димитрија, многу жени ни помозае и се месиме во Свети Димитрија зелниците ва година. И вие се само две жени тука, па ти други има што греде везање што се тамо што ни поможве. Без жени да поможе ништо не се прави. Со еден човек ништо не се прави. Цели треба да прави. И Дана Марку, а мисламе зашто таа е во Стари крај сега. На Джордж Марку, мајка му е, и таа поможува многу таа, и цели другите, и Александра, и вие младите тука, цели млади сте.
Сите сте млади и во душата, да знаете.
Млади се, не може да реча не. И за тоа ти вела, и мъж ми денес ке игра, не требаше да игра, бат ке игра, не сака да го мисля и тој.
Многу убаво. Како се викате?
Вера Филкав.
И Вера, како ти се бенди се ова година?
Многу убаво, се е многу убаво.
Од кој село си ти?
Јас си од Статица, Котина.
Многу убаво. Статиченки тука. Се извинувам. Како се викате?
Јас си Лена Лазару, а јас си Преспенка од Оровник. Секоја година греме поможуваме со цело срце, поможуваме и тука и за зелниците. Заедно све биди.
Да сте живи и здрави.
Thank you, Bill, и да се видиме па.
With us at the 76th Annual Macedonian Open Golf Tournament are George Marku, Zlatka Chokova, and Alex Mishov. We'll start today's talk with George Marku, the new president of Canadian Macedonian Place. George, this is the first time you've been at the tournament as the president of the Canadian Macedonian Place. How does it feel?
Feels great, and I'm truly honored and bestowed to have been appointed as president of Canadian Macedonian Place. As we all know, Canadian Macedonian Place is a foundation for our community, and here we are today for our 76th annual golf tournament.
That's fantastic, and there's a turnout of 260 today from what I understand.
Yeah, the numbers don't fall. I mean, we get tremendous support from the entire community, both our Macedonian community and Friends of Macedonia as well. It looks to be a great day today, and we're looking forward to a wonderful event for not only the people that are golfing today, however, a great fundraiser for, it's our largest fundraiser for the Canadian Macedonian Place.
Zlatka Chokova, администраторот при домот. Златка, ова година, како што реков на англиски, ќе има 260 голфери. За прв пат, мислам, во последниве години, одличен број.
Точно, оваа година имаме 260, само да кажам дека еден од нашите големи сапортери, Гас Филипов, кој оваа година е на одмор, не можеше да дојде, ако дојдеше и тој со неговата група од 25 голфери, 26, ќе бевме ја sold out. Се уште е рано, се уште доаѓа, денеска од Сабајле имав 2 регистрации кои се регистрира да играат, така да се уште не е касно да се рече дека може да имаме и sell-out на турнирот.
Годинава, како што реков и како што е секогаш, има многу млади кои помагаат.
Младите точно, имаме млади кои помагаат, волонтери се, значи им требаат сати, 40 сати за школо и ние тоа го бараме и го прашуваме, има многу луѓе, деца кои се волонтираат. За ова веќе имаме денеска една група млади кои помагаат со регистрацијата, со што треба околу. Имаме тука жените од Свети Димитрија Солунски црквата, кои ни месат пити и денеска се дојдени така да ни помогнат на денот. Имаме 3 шефови од Wimpy's, Джордж Стериовски ги ангажира да дојдат, Джони, Дино и Башар. Така да и сосиџите денеска сигурно ќе бидат перфект, зашто 3 шефови ќе ги готват.
Одлично, нашиот спонзор на вестите е Wimpy's Diner.
Yes.
Alex Mishov, you're here again, and your work, you do layman's work for the Macedonian community, including your work here, being involved in the golf committee at Canadian Macedonian Place. This year's tournament, what is your perspective? And it looks like it's going to be a fascinating day.
Yeah, Bill, again, great day for the tournament as usual. I'm so proud to be part of this golf committee. You know, Zlatka, George, Stan, the whole team. Too many to mention, Marilyn. And all of us work so hard. You and I have talked about this. We start working on this stuff the day the tournament's over. So when this is over today, we'll start next year's tournament. So it's just wonderful to see, and the best turnout in a few years makes it that much more gratifying.
Rounding out 2018, George, after this tournament, what else is going to be happening at Canadian Macedonian Place?
Well, Bill, as you know, it's July the 10th today, so we're on a bit of a summer break. We got a board meeting coming up at the end of July. It will be my first board meeting with our board. We've got lots to talk about, lots of planning to do during the course of that meeting and over the summer. We've got some ideas that we're going to be bringing forward, and we'll come fall, we'll have more on the agenda to talk about.
Алекс Мишов, Златка Чокова и новиот председател Джордж Марку, ви благодариме.
Thank you. Thanks for having us, Bill.
Зборуваме со Анджело Аргиро, еден од нашите македонци кој цел живот го посветува на македонската заедница во Канада. Анджело, ова е 76-тиот поред, значи 76 години од македонскиот отворен голф турнир.
I remember way back, when I started with 30, 40 people. And now we're up to 280, 300 people, Today, all the Macedonians that are in this tournament, over 300 people, they enjoy it, they're united, there's no politics, there's no any kind of disturbances. It's just beautiful. I wish all the Macedonian community and everybody else, they're united like we are today, We will be a very, very success, I think some of our politicians back home, they should come to this day and see how Macedonians operate in North America. Today, we're united, we're gonna have fun, it's a beautiful day, we're gonna see a lot of people, and I wish this thing continues forever,
Very good, Angelo. Имаш нещо специално денеска, something special for our viewers. Имаш нещо во твоите раце или сега ќе ги имаш? Кажи.
4 мина играме in my foursome и секој еден ќе играме по една лопка. Едната лопка е за Джан Битов, Господо прости, и за Алек Вилјанов. Тие беа едни галферс што сакаја многу му се играше и играе галф, За името Нино, за споменикот Нино, ќе играме денес со нините бали, со вие бали, за да спомен за тие двата наши македонци што сакаја многу да игра галф,
Бог да ги прости, Алекс Велијанов по потекло од село Света Петка, Леринско, и Джан Битов од Габреш, Костурско.
Джан Битов was my best friend, and we golfed a lot and enjoying the game, and I'm gonna play the ball today of John Bitov.
This is in the memory of John Bitov and Alex Alexander, odnosno Alex Veljanov.
Yes. They were great golfers, and they were great supporters of this tournament. Especially John was a big fan here. Without John, something is missing here already. We miss him a lot.
We spoke to your wife Tina earlier today, and she's full of energy, and she's a great lady.
When she comes for the community, she's number one. She doesn't miss anything, and she wants to work day and night for the community, and she did a lot through the years,
Ти си по потекло село Оштима, нели?
Ошима, град Ошима, останаа само две фамилии сега.
Ошчимци ги има на секаде низ светот.
Ошчимци едно време во инде 40-50 година тие беа туа доста здрави, Старите беа дојдени туа во almost во 1800, late 1800, and they got involved in like Kyria Methodi, the churches and so on, They were a big number at that time,
Тоа е доброто од нашиот македонски голф турнир и нашата заедница. Има македонци тука од Оштима, Леринско, од Битолско, од Воденско, од Скопско, од Кајларско, од Пиринско, од секаде низ етничка Македонија.
Секаде има. And today we're all united. We have no politics today. Only thing we have politics on the golf course. Who's gonna do a better job, Or the name, or the logo Macedonian. Macedonia is timeless.
We're speaking to Marilyn Trentos, past president of Canadian Macedonian Place. Marilyn, it's great to see you again today.
It's great to be here, Bill, and thank you to you and your team for being here again and supporting this event.
You were president for many years, and I think we had great cooperation. You did a terrific job, and now George Marcu, I'm sure, will do a terrific job as well.
It was my absolute privilege and honor to serve as president for 9 years, but I thought it was time to step aside, and George is a wonderful, wonderful board member that's now risen to the challenge of president. But we have a really great board of people, and everyone works collectively to get what needs to be done for Canadian Macedonian Place.
That is terrific. Do you have a message?
Just that one about today. This is such an amazing cause, and I have to tell you once again, our children are all here, and I encourage everyone to please get their children involved. I brought my kids once, and we don't have to ask them more than twice. We just tell them the date, they mark it on their calendar, and they look forward to it every year. And the other thing, I just want to leave this message that Canadian Macedonian Place is such a wonderful thing in our community. It's something that I believe all Macedonians should support, whether or not you have a senior there. I often tell the story of my grandmother being a resident for 17 years, and now I have the privilege and honor of having my mother being a resident at Canadian Macedonian Place, and I can't even tell you what a difference it's made to our family.
That is fantastic. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Bill, and I hope everyone has a great day today.
We're speaking with Bobby Petrov at the 76th Annual Macedonian Open Golf Tournament. Bobby, welcome.
Thank you, Bill. Thank you very much.
And this year marks the 76th anniversary of the Macedonian Open Golf Tournament. It really is an amazing day when your father, Van Petrov, was one of the founders of this auspicious event.
Absolutely. Time goes so fast, and I'm quite surprised that it's 76, because I remember back when it was the 35th. So time flies.
The last few years, you've been very dedicated in the golf on the golf committee, actually.
Well, I've been trying to assist as much as possible. Unfortunately, with business and family, it's difficult, but I try to contribute, try to bring out as many people to play as possible, try to gather as many prizes for the field that I'm able to. And it's been a very successful tournament over the years.
What we see today, and as what we saw last year, actually, it's a bit of a trend. A lot of young Canadian Macedonians.
Yes, it's very important that the youth come out and support the tournament, along with the elders. But the youth is the future of this tournament. So if we can bring out the youth, it will help the tournament in the long run. I just want to say thank you to Zlatka, Alex, and Stan on the committee and the rest of the committee for doing the work they've been doing. They've been working very hard over the past number of years, and they've just brought in numerous prizes. And I just want to say thank you on behalf of my late father. And this is what makes the tournament a success.
We're speaking with two of the volunteers at this year's Macedonian Open Golf Tournament.
Thomas. Elias.
Now we have one young man here of Macedonian heritage and one of Greek heritage. Welcome both of you to the Macedonian Open Golf Tournament.
Thank you very much.
And why do you want to volunteer here today?
We need it for school hours and just get on the golf course.
I find golf a really fun sport, and I like the environment. It's a very nice people here, and it's a great community, to be honest.
Very nice. And what school do you guys go to?
John Vanier.
And what do you want to be when you're a little bit older?
Not too sure yet.
You have no ideas?
Maybe business. Not too sure.
Maybe a lawyer. That's what I'm most interested into being, like law.
Do you like playing golf?
Yeah.
And what other sports do you play?
Hockey and soccer.
Are you a Leafs fan?
Yes, all the way.
Who's your favorite player?
Mitch Marner.
I don't watch hockey.
Okay.
I'm a soccer player.
You're a soccer player, so the World Cup hasn't ended yet, but what team of the last four teams do you want to win?
Belgium. All the way Belgium.
Croatia or France.
So this will be airing on the 21st of July, so by then we should have a winner, and we'll see how your predictions are.
Yeah.
We're speaking with Cashel Van Schilt, and Stan Natse, affectionately known as Natse Thomas. Welcome once again to the Macedonian Heritage Hour here at the 76th Annual Macedonian Open Golf Tournament.
Isn't that amazing, Bill? 76 years and we're still going strong.
Amazing, and a lot of the thanks has to go to you and a dedicated team at Canadian Macedonian Place who put this great function together every year.
Bill, we couldn't do it without all the volunteers, the committee, the tremendous support we get from the community, from all the people, our sponsors. I just can't tell you how grateful we are for everybody supporting this tournament, and it all goes to a good cause, Canadian Macedonian Place.
Now we're going to have a word with Kishel. Kishel, you're the daughter of Stan, or Natse in Macedonian. Tell us a little bit about your involvement this year at the tournament.
This year, actually, I'm just a participant. It's really the committee and my dad that have really brought this tournament to life over the years, and I'm super, super proud to be here to support.
Are you proud of your Macedonian heritage?
Absolutely, 100%. Very proud of it. It's why my company continues to support Canadian Macedonian Place and continues to support the tournament, and why we are bringing my son up with the Macedonian heritage as well.
That is fantastic. Are you a good golfer?
No.
I don't believe that. I don't believe that. Who's the better golfer, you or your dad?
My dad.
Okay. Stan?
Next is my grandson, her son.
Oh, very good. Okay. Stan, it's just amazing how many young Canadian Macedonians we see here today. It has to be 50% of the attendance.
Yeah, we started that quite a while ago to try and encourage more of the younger people to come in, to give the tournament a longer life so we can go to 100 years and kind of carry on the tradition. It's wonderful.
That's fantastic. Now, your brother was interviewed a while back. Is he a good golfer?
Yes.
That's terrific.
Yeah, he was a junior champion. He was a junior champion here at the tournament once.
Fantastic. I want to wish you all the best, and we thank you once again.
Thank you very much, Phil. Thank you for your support. Thank you.
Thank you.